Okay, so just a little update. I have not been doing the best lately. I can no longer be left alone anymore. Due to medical reasons, I'm passing out all the time. Pretty much every single time I stand up, my heart rate skyrockets and I black out. Usually I can catch myself before I pass out, but not always. So I'm relying on forearm crutches at the moment to keep me out of the wheelchair until we can hear more from my doctors. And on the bright side, they've really been helping. I feel like a lot of freedom back because I can walk by myself at the moment without people having to literally walk with me to carry me, to keep me from dropping. So that's a plus. And another plus is that Grace is alerting to my cardiac changes, which is wonderful because I didn't know if she was going to be able to do that, but she is. So basically with cardiac alerts, asthma alerts, migraine alerts, seizure alerts, stuff like that, you can't teach a dog to do that. It's something that they already have to know. And most dogs can kind of sense it. I don't know if it's through smell or what, but I know that you can't teach them to do it. You can only shape the alerts. So Grace automatically senses the changes in my blood pressure and my heart rate and alerts me to that naturally. And I shape the alerts to how I want them. So today, while I was filming, I just happened to catch an alert, probably good, I would say 5 minutes or so before it happened. And she just repeatedly kept alerting me, even while it was happening. She kept alerting me, but it was just something different. I was having some issues breathing. I was completely out of breath. I don't really know why. It honestly could be a mixture of all of my medical conditions, but she was alerting me to that. And I didn't realize what was going on until after the fact. So I have a little clip of her alerts before everything happened, up until it happened, and during. So here's that video now.
Klappat hakten alla Gullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Gullfest hela dagen. Stort och stort, det har vi alltid gjort. Så det är gullfest hela dagen. Alla Gullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Gullfest hela dagen. Stort och stort, det har vi alltid gjort. Så det Adra och tjocka.
So today's been stressful. Okay, I'm just gonna cut up this paper. Let's do it. So, this month to go. Pretend like today hasn't happened. I don't want to do anything. Can't catch my breath.
No. Go home. Okay. Nothing bunches.